guys, Bailey here with Prairie Pistons. I'm sure you can tell what we're going to be doing in this video because there's no headlights in my truck, and if you're wondering why there isn't any, go check out my latest video. It's definitely something interesting to watch, and yeah, I'm thinking like it. Anyways, we're going to be throwing these new ones. If you haven't watched my unboxing on these and you want to see it, that's also in a previous video. But yeah, I got different bulbs and stuff too, but I'm just going to do one video on the headlights, see how they look in there, and then I'll do another video putting all the bulbs in, giving her the full aux beam LED update. Yeah, we're doing this one in the shop today because she's frickin' so hot out there. It was like 32 degrees Celsius in the car. So yeah, staying out of the sun for this one because I already burnt myself enough already this weekend. Since we already got the top headlights out, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these bottom ones out and put the new ones in first, just while it's nice and open right now. You just kinda gotta give it a firm pull. Yeah, they definitely don't make them how they used to. There's one. And there's two. So this is what the new ones look like that are going in. Pretty much the same thing, just these ones have like the clear side mark. So I got that one in there, guys, but I don't know, it doesn't sit quite right. Like it's tilted forward almost. Like it looked better if it was like that kinda. Oh, and it just, yeah, like it doesn't really like follow the body line right. So I put the other old one back in on this side. You can see it just kinda, it sits better in there. So I might leave my old bottom ones, but then try the new, well, I kinda have to put these new top ones, and then I'll compare them side to side and we'll see which one looks better. But I'm kind of leaning this way so far, but we'll take a look. I'll start by putting the one side in here, then I'll do the other side, and then we'll take a look. I'll just set them in there just for now so we can get a good look at them and see. Something like that. I'll go put the other side in. Okay, you guys, so I got the headlights in. I don't have any of the bulbs in just because I wasn't sure. I wanted to make sure everything was going to fit right before I started messing around. Just gives you guys an idea what it looks like. But yeah, looks pretty freaking sweet, I think. Get freaking Dev's bike out of here. Yeah, those side markers actually almost match the color of the truck. It's pretty close. But I think I'm going to go with the old ones of these I had. Just like I said, these ones, it's crooked or something. I don't know if it's just a poor manufacturing job, but you can see it just doesn't go good with the truck. It just makes it look cheap. I don't know why yeah, so I'm gonna switch that out, and then it's kind of getting dark here, so I'll get everything finished up and I'll wash the truck tomorrow, and yeah, I'll give you guys a real good look at these headlights and on the truck and some good light. But yeah, that's just kind of a sneak peek what they look like. Definitely gives the truck a cleaner look, I would say. So yeah, I'll be checking in with you guys tomorrow in 3, 2, 1. And what is up, you guys? We're back. It's the next day. Just finished washing up the truck. It's looking awesome as usual. I'll give you a look at the headlights here. It's kind of windy out here today, so hopefully the audio is all right. But yeah, I got them all switched over and adjusted to how I think I want them. But yeah, they look frickin' awesome. Truck's just shining like she always should be. Yeah, she cleans up really good, this old girl. So just with the wind today, I'll make a quick little edit of the headlights here, throw a bit of music in, and hopefully you guys enjoy. man, you guys, I really love these headlights. I'm so happy they're finally in. The only thing on my truck that kind of bothered me was those old headlights. Just like I said, they just kind of look dirty all the time and whatnot. But yeah, these look freaking good. Really make the truck. Really satisfied with how they fit and everything. Seem pretty good, and yeah, absolutely love this truck. So thanks a lot for watching, you guys. If you like this truck, be sure to check out my other videos on YouTube, subscribe, and even check me out on Instagram. I'm just kind of starting a page. Same name, Prairie Pistons. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys.